for AngularJS. Directives. ng-app defines the root element of the AngularJS application. ng-model binds an HTML control to a property on the scope. ng-bind binds the value of an expression to a DOM element. ng-repeat repeats a section of HTML code once per item in an array. ng-show ng-hide shows hides an element based on a Boolean expression. ng-if ng-switch conditionally includes or excludes an element based on a Boolean expression or a set of conditions. ng-click executes a function when an element is clicked. Controllers. Controllers are responsible for managing the data and behavior of a view. Use $scope to share data and behavior between the view and controller. Use $HTTP to make HTTP requests to a server. Use $timeout to execute a function after a specified delay. Use $interval to execute a function repeatedly after a specified interval. Use $filter to format and manipulate data. Use $location to interact with the browser's URL. Use $root scope for shared data and behavior across multiple controllers. Services. Services are singletons that provide functionality across an AngularJS application. AngularJS comes with many built-in services such as $HTTP, $timeout, and $interval. Custom services can be created using the factory, service, and provider methods. Services can be injected into controllers and other services. Modules. Modules are containers for different parts of an AngularJS application. Modules can have dependencies on other modules. Modules can be used to group controllers, services, and directives. Filters. Filters can be used to format and manipulate data in an AngularJS application. Built-in filters include currency, date, filter, JSO, limit to, and order by. Custom filters can be created using the filter method.